Today I'm talking about this new product from Maybelline that went viral. If you're interested why, then please keep on watching. Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. So today I'm doing a review on this brow. It's called, sorry, that was so weird. Build the Brow from Maybelline, and actually you get these two sides. One side is brow pen, it's right here, and the other side is brow fixator or gel, or sealing gel they call it. I picked out this one in the shade Blonde. So before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because most of you are not yet. And now let's continue. I would never bought this kind of product if I haven't heard Makeup by Nikki, one of the most famous current makeup artists in Los Angeles. She is doing celebrities and also she is a YouTuber and she swears by this product. Also, Ellie Glines is one of very well-known YouTubers, makeup gurus, and also she is right now swearing by this brow pen. One thing that I have to mention is that to this point, this is like a hint or sneak preview, I didn't like brow pens because I couldn't find the one that wouldn't be so pigmented. If I used this kind of product, even though the shade was right for me, at the end my brows looked blocked. They looked like 2 shades darker and very fake. Also, it happened all the time that, as with eyeliners, I've got too much out of it or too little. I couldn't control it. So now I'm just gonna show you how the shade Blonde looks. The tip is so precise, so tiny. So this is the first good thing about it. And this is the second. Can you see how sheer this is? This is what we want for our brows. We don't want a full-on pigment. You really would need to be like the most equipped, the most precise person that would create perfect strokes each time. But if you're not like that, I'm certainly not, then this is the product for you. I'm just gonna quickly pick up the one from Nabla and show you the difference so you can see. This is also in the shade Blonde. Can you see that? And then this one, it's Maybelline. These are blonde shades, so if I would show you the black or brown, you would see a bigger difference, but you can already see what I mean. So we really like the low opacity on brow pens. So my preferred options are these two. So this one is from L'Oréal Paris. I'm using this one every single day. It's Infallible Brows 24-hour micro precision pencil in the shade Blonde. Yeah, I love this stuff. And now the new one from Benefit, Precisely My Brow Detailer, because this one is so tiny. It's crazy. For brow gels, these two are the best. So a very old but a trusty Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and then a new one, my absolutely favorite brow gel. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's Brow Freeze Gel. So just for comparison, this one has just a tiny bit of that brow gel on one side and a very tiny wand, as you can see. And now let's just do the brows and see how it works. So I've already combed my brows, as you can probably see, and now I'm just gonna go through it. I'm not nervous at all because it's so forgiving. So I would say that this is the best brow product if you are not the best with your brows. If you really need to fill them in, You don't need to draw them in. This is the best one to go for. If you want to completely from scratch draw them in, then the Nabla one is better. And you can see that the shade as well, it's not too warm because I'm actually a dark, like a grayish blonde. So one thing that I'm lacking with this product is a brush or a spoolie just to go through. I would prefer if this product would come with just a brush at the end and not a brow gel. And I'm not saying that the brow gel is a bad one. It's not. For a drugstore, it's actually quite a good brow gel. But I just love these two so much. And I have really thick hairs on my brows. It's like a nice brow gel, but it's not the best brow gel. So I would prefer if they came out with this brow pen without the gel and instead the brush on the other side. Because then I need to grab my own, and if I'm out and about, it's just not a thing, you know. But I just completely love my brows like that. Also, I was wondering, because there's so little of that brow gel on the other side, you're probably going to get out of it quicker than this pigment, and that just doesn't make any sense for me. Or maybe there's more of it than we think. I have to say that I actually really like the brush because it's so small, but you can right away see that this is not like a very hard-on setting brow gel. It just combs the brows and make them a little bit heavier, but you cannot create a laminated look, or you cannot create a totally budge-proof brows with this one. It's more for kind of a natural effect. But you can create these fluffy brows that I'm currently loving. I would say this is such a beginner-friendly product. I'm not trimming my brows right now because I really like that fluffy effect. I would give this product 9.5 out of 10 just because I'm not sure about this gel. I think this is the best drugstore brow product that is out there. This is incredible. It's so beginner friendly. It's just for everyone. You cannot get it wrong with this one. I mean, you can just use this wand more as a comb and then go again through with this brow gel that you prefer. But yeah, I'm gonna probably update you on this one, on the gel specifically, how long it lasted. Now that I've tried it for several times, I understand why a big makeup artists, big makeup YouTubers are using this right now over some high-end products. And hands down, Maybelline, this is such a good product, you can really see that they made an effort with this one. So I hope you enjoyed my mini review, and if you did, then please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and comment down below if you already tried this one and what do you think, or if you haven't yet, would you buy it? Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye!